Welcome to Fluent by Story, where we bring you inspiring stories to improve your English and expand your mind. Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey. How did English become the world's most powerful language? Globe showing Europe, Africa, from ancient tribes to global empires, from Shakespeare to Silicon Valley. The story of English is filled with history, struggle, technology, and transformation. Whether you're learning English or just curious about its rise, this video will guide you through the powerful forces that made English the language of the world. So, sit back, listen closely, and speak along to improve your fluency, vocabulary, and understanding of global culture. Let's begin the journey. Have you ever wondered how English, a language once spoken by only a small group of people on a small island, rose to become the most powerful language in the world, used by billions of people for business, education, entertainment, and global communication? The journey of English is a fascinating story of history, power, colonization, trade, technology, and culture that stretches across centuries and continents. It begins in the early medieval period with the migration of Germanic tribes, the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes, to the British Isles around the 5th century AD. These tribes brought their own dialects, which mixed with the Celtic languages already spoken in the area, forming Old English. Over the centuries, English absorbed vocabulary and structure from Norse invaders, Latin missionaries, and Norman conquerors. After the Norman invasion of 1066, English borrowed heavily from French, especially in law, government, and culture. This fusion of influences created Middle English, a language more flexible and adaptable than ever before. As time passed, the Renaissance and printing press helped standardize English, transforming it into early modern English, the language of Shakespeare, exploration, and scientific thought. But the most significant factor in the global rise of English came with the expansion of the British Empire. From the 16th to the 20th century, Britain colonized vast regions across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and the Pacific. British rule brought English into schools, legal systems, governments, and trade across these regions. English became the language of opportunity, even for those resisting colonial rule. Countries like India, Nigeria, South Africa, and many Caribbean nations adopted English in official settings, spreading it far beyond its island origins. At its height, the British Empire ruled over a quarter of the world's land and people, embedding English deeply into global systems of power. But even after the empire declined, English did not fade. Instead, its influence grew stronger, thanks to the emergence of the United States as a global superpower in the 20th century. After World War II, the U.S. dominated the world stage through military strength, economic leadership, and cultural exports. American movies, music, television, and later the Internet became global phenomena, all in English. The global spread of pop culture meant English was no longer just a colonial legacy. It was cool, modern, and inescapable. Hollywood blockbusters, global icons like Elvis Presley, the Beatles, Michael Jackson, and Taylor Swift, and streaming services like Netflix made English the language of fun, creativity, and aspiration. Meanwhile, the global economy was being shaped by U.S. corporations like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, and Amazon. The language of global business, technology, and entrepreneurship became English. And as air travel and diplomacy grew, English became the international language of pilots, diplomats, scientists, and students. Today, English is the dominant language in global finance, science, aviation, international relations, and even higher education. Over 80% of academic papers in major journals are written in English. Universities across the globe use English for instruction, even in non-English speaking countries. This status fuels a cycle. The more English is used, the more people want or need to learn it. English is now the most widely learned second language in the world. In schools across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America, English is taught from an early age. It's not just about speaking with foreigners. English opens doors to better jobs, higher education, travel, and access to global knowledge. This growing demand for English has created an entire industry. Language schools, test preparation, online tutoring, and global exams like TOEFL and IELTS. But English's power also comes from its flexibility. It's a living, breathing language that evolves with its speakers. English absorbs new words from every culture it touches. From sushi to emoji, bungalow to yoga, English is a global sponge. This adaptability makes it easier for non-native speakers to make it their own. Whether in India, Kenya, the Philippines, or Germany, people use English in ways that reflect their local identity. We now have many versions of English. British English, American English, Australian English, Nigerian English, Singlish, Hinglish, and more. This linguistic diversity adds to English's richness and reach. And in the digital age, English became even more powerful. Over 60% of Internet content is in English. Social media platforms, websites, online courses, news, and even memes often default to English. If you want to be part of the global conversation, whether it's about climate change, politics, sports, or K-pop, chances are you'll be doing it in English. Even global diplomacy is dominated by English. The United Nations uses 6 official languages, but English is often the working language. In multinational companies, English is often the lingua franca, the bridge language used to connect people from different backgrounds. Even in countries with strong native languages like China, Russia, and Brazil, English is essential for international business and communication. Yet, English's dominance is not without its challenges. Some critics argue that English's power can threaten local languages and cultures. When students in non-English speaking countries are forced to learn only in English, native languages can suffer. Many fear a loss of linguistic and cultural diversity. Others worry about linguistic inequality. Those who speak English well have more opportunities, while others may be left behind. Still, the global consensus remains. Learning English is worth the effort. It unlocks doors to knowledge, careers, and international friendships. It's not just the language of Shakespeare, but of Silicon Valley, Spotify, TikTok, and beyond. From former colonies to global tech hubs, English continues to shape the way the world connects. And even as machine translation improves, English remains a shared tool for people from all walks of life to collaborate, innovate, and dream. In short, English became the world's most powerful language through a perfect storm of history, empire, economics, technology, and culture. From medieval England to the global internet, English has traveled, transformed, and triumphed. Not by being the best language, but by being in the right place at the right time again and again. It's not a neutral force, it carries history and privilege. But it's also a remarkable tool that people worldwide use to learn, grow, and thrive. Whether you're watching this video to practice English, explore history, or simply learn something new, remember: every word you speak connects you to a vast, living story. The story of how English conquered the world is not just about power. It's about people, their dreams, their stories, and the language that helped them reach across borders. And that's what makes English more than just powerful. It makes it truly global. Thank you for staying with us on this incredible journey through time, language, and global influence. Now you understand why English became the world's most powerful language. Not just because of history or empire, but because of the people who used it, shaped it, and shared it with the world. Speech Balloon Globe with Meridians. If you enjoyed this story and want to keep improving your English through powerful and easy-to-follow content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent by Story. We post new videos regularly to help you learn English in a fun and meaningful way. Remember, every word you learn opens a new door, and every story brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.